Hello, with another episode with trying snacks from around the world. Today's country, Korea, South Korea. I got a bunch of snacks with me. I couldn't record there because I didn't have time. I had to catch my flight back because I bought them in the last few minutes before I leave the hotel and go back to Dubai. I just took shower. I'm fresh. I'm ready. Uh, Let me show you. And today, in collaboration with Stitch, I have it. And all the snacks that I got from South Korea. Now, I will show you one by one, and we try them all together. I'm so excited for this because I wanted to record it earlier before Beijing, China. First one we have, again I want to say Ramadan Kareem to everyone. We have this mini cream sandwich and it's a strawberry flavor. Let's open it. Okay, we have it here. It's like a toast bread. It comes something inside very. It's not really that soft because it was in the fridge. It's a strawberry cream flavored with strawberry in a toast bread. Next we have a Hershey's choco sandwich. So excited for this! Korea, I love you. I love Korea. Let's open it. It's open now, and oh my god, it looks so good. I love it. I love chocolate. The smell. Oh my god. Let's try. Ah, it's two sandwiches. Let's eat one. Chocolate cream inside. And it's so good. If you're a chocolate lover, you're gonna love this. You want? Maybe he wants to eat. Next one we have strawberry something. This one. Let's open it. Smells strawberry. I hope the taste is good. Very pinkish. But the strawberry taste is not strong. So I feel I'm eating like plain croissant or something. It's eatable. That's it. Next product we have sweet apple cake. Also, let's see this cake. I love apple too. That's all. And that's apple cake. He was looking at me. It's good, sugary, but I don't taste the apple, to be honest. So yeah. Next one we have the Lucky Moon cake. It's not opening. Wait.
One eternity later.
Lucky Moon cake. It looks like a moon, to be honest. Let's eat. I don't know, I taste these are the same. The sweet apple cake, Lucky Moon cake, they're the same. We have another Lucky Moon cake, but this one is with strawberry. And it looks like a moon, to be honest. I like it. Let's taste it. The cream is pinkish. I taste some strawberry, but no, it's fine. It's very sugary. This one is Pokemon. Oh, I have someone to introduce you. Wait a second. Came back. So this one in collaboration with I love these two characters, so that's why they are on my bed. And let's try this one. Let's open it. So we opened it. It's covered on both sides. Gonna make the bed messy. And the bottom. Oh, it looks like very chocolatey. It's nice. Little bit similar to the Hershey one, but it's nice. Next, before the last one, we have this. I think this is Oreo in Korean. I'm not sure, probably yes. But let's try it. I never saw it before. Let's do it. We open it. It comes like 6 individual ones. It's nice. Dark chocolate. But I don't understand what's written on it, so I don't know if this is coffee taste or similar to it. And the last product is Hershey's. This also, I never saw this one, to be honest. Personally, maybe it's available here, I don't know. Acai and blueberry. Let's open it. There's dried blueberry in it. This is thicker. No, thinner. That's our products. I didn't get any drink, I'm sorry, because I didn't find something special. Let me know which country you want me to try their snacks. If I could, I would go as soon as there and bring the snacks from there. I'm going to India tomorrow. Let's see what I can find in India as snacks from the market. See you on my third. This is my second episode. My third episode. Don't forget to like, comment, share, whatever you want. Support me. Love you. Bye. And also, they want to say bye. Goodbye.